Alright, welcome everybody to the seminar on knowledge. I will be your host and teacher and mentor, Chris Harris. Now, the first knowledge thing that I need to convey to you is this is the safe way, the safest way to not spread germs when you have to cough. Now, some people call it the Dracula cough, and I'm going to demonstrate it now, okay? Wait a minute, I've got to... You put your arm, you cough into your elbow. You know, Dracula does this, and so... This way I'm not spreading any germs. But, also, I have been known to call it the superhero cough as well, because I can go like this.